Say hi!
What's up mga kabalaybay? Unboxing tayo. Punta tayo ng Canadian Tire. Nakakita tayo ng sale. Medyo mag-aano kami. Magagala. Sa kaya ni Baby Sayek, tsaka ni Baby Sayen, yung nagbablog. Yung nag-video. Sasakay nilang dalawa. It's a little bit. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba ito. Ayun, gulong na agad, gulong. It's too heavy, I know. I will move you around. Hindi mo na eh. Ayun. You have more? Okay.
It's the package.
At siya mga kabalaybay, Woods. Porter, folding wagon, chariot plate.
Excavator, it's cardboard.
True North, strong daw.
It's cardboard box.
Kaya niya yung 68 kilogram. Yung anak ko yung dalawa wala pang siguro mga 50 tong mga to. So, unbox na natin. What's this? Careful. Heavy attack. It's cutter. They call this knife here in Canada. Tawag nila dito knife, pero cutter sa atin. Yan. Nako. Are you ready? You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, I will put this out. You open the strap. Strap. Open the strap. Okay. You open the other one. Ayun, may strap po siya. Ayun. Tas, tanggalin. And then you open the zipper. Zip up like that. Perfect. That's it. And then we're going to excited. Oh, yeah. Excited ka na? I think this one is ito po ay padding para sa base. Para sa base niya tingin ko. Ito. Ay, hindi kita yung ano mo. Oh, you ready? Open the strap, baby. Open the strap. This one, the strap. No, this one. Yan. Like that. Uy. Like that. Okay, careful doon ka muna sa badal at ating ito ibubuka na. So, atin natin ilalatag na natin. Anong itsura ba nito? Maipit ha, maipit.
I'm gonna ride.
1 second, baby, 1 second. Not yet. So, easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Ganun lang siya.
I can sit on there.
1 second.
This is my slippers.
Ano? Ito ay yung tinatawag niyang, ito nga, padding. Lagay lang na ganyan.
Ooh. I can ride.
Tapos yan na siya. Tapos,
Now ride.
ito ganyan. Kung gusto mo,
I'm gonna ride.
mas mataas, mas mahaba, ganun pa. Tapos saka mo siya ilalak ulit. I think so, yun. Yun.
If you did this.
If you did that. Tapos meron siyang ipitan doon. Kung gustong hilahin siya ng ano. Oh, you want hit? Try, you want try? Upo. Oy, loob ka pa. Kasyan. Laki pala nito. Ito yung ano nila. Pag naggala kami yan, may sakyan siya. Si Siren dito. Dito si Sayen. Dito. You fold your knee. Then, Ate will try. Ate, do you wanna ride with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Wanna try? Ayun! Kasyang-kasya sila mga kabalaybay. Oh. You like it, guys?
Yeah.
Do you think we can fit some things in the middle? Like bugs or anything? Is it good? Is it okay? O, sige mga kabalaybay, lalagyan natin. Maluwag pa siya, oh, napakaluwag. Ang laki niya. Napakaluwag niya.
Push me here.
Ano siya, woods.
Push me.
So multipurpose siya, pwede sa bata, pwede sa mga gamit pag nagka-camping. Ayan. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gary.
Sa Calgary. Ayan. So that's it mga kabalaybay for now. Aming titingnan ito sa labas kung okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye guys. Bebe, say bye. Say it. Say bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye for now.